Okay, so welcome to these short little tutorials. Today we're going to be going over how to import a file into PyroSim. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to look at homework 1, which is where the geometries are all laid out. And then we can see we have level 0 here. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can either try to import the PDF, but my personal choice is to use an image because that's usually good enough and it's less space. So here we can just take a picture. You can do this with a screenshot, or I have a special tool. And then I usually just use paint. And then you can save that as. Alright, so now we have our image, and then open up PyroSim. And so there's a couple of options for importing things. You can either import an FDS or a CAD file, or the way that we're going to do is we're going to import an image, and that's when you go over here and you click on this image thing. So what that does is it adds an image to the floors which you have to set up. And so right now we don't really have anything going on, but we want to do the ground floor. So all you have to do is you have to click on this, and then you have to go find where you put your image. I put it on right here. You can just open that up, and so now it comes up with this very nice tool that you can use to anchor your image. So if you were to build all of the floors for this model, you could figure out where to anchor it so that they would all align on top of each other, which is very important. But since we're only doing one floor here, it's not really imperative that we do that. So we can just kind of click in the corner. The other thing that this lets you do is it lets you scale the image based on 2 points that you can pick. And from the homework we know that we should assume that the door size for all of them are about 1 meters in width. And so when we go back here, we can just find a door like this, and we can pick one side and 2 sides and align them. And so we have 1 meter already keyed in, and and then we can just hit OK, and then OK. And so here's our image. We can use the rolling tool, the 3D navigation tool to go around it, or since it's an image, we'll just go like this and use the move tool. So yeah, that's how you import an image into PyroSim.